Hey, what's up? Markus Dunk here. Welcome back to a new video. And today I have something a little bit different for you. I just want to give you a little bit more of an insight on, where we're currently living, where we're currently working. So yeah, you can get a better idea. So come with me, let's go in. So this is the front gate. Come in. Come in. All right, so this is the place here in Bali where we currently moved in for about a month. Here, it's basically serving as an office and workspace and just our place, our living space at once. So let me show you around. So this is the entrance here. It's an open living space. It's very common here in Bali. Then here we have my preferred method of transportation. My bike. I love motorbikes ever since I'm a little kid. So this is how I basically move around in Bali here, or Kamina as well, who's behind the camera. I want to give you a little bit sound check. Yeah, so that's super cool.
How much is around the rent of the bike?
The rent of the bike, so this bike is around $270 per month. And I think if you go with like a regular scooter, like a smaller one, it maybe is half of that, right? So for me, it's worth it because I basically grew up with motorbikes and I really get a lot of joy out of that. So let's go this way. So here you basically come in, and then something that I find just really cool about Asia in general is they have like this culture of basically taking the shoes off, right? So here when you come into the house, you basically just leave the shoes here, and then you just walk around with your feet without any shoes, so the place stays clean. And we actually also have someone who comes over once per day, who's just doing the entire cleaning and all of this. And then here, this is currently working as my office space, with a nice view onto the rice fields. And whenever it gets super hot, I can just, take a dive into the pool, which I will show you in a second here as well. So this is the kitchen here as well. So it's very open. We're not really cooking anything. I'm not really cooking anything. Kamina's not really cooking anything. So
Very clean, that's why.
yeah, that's why it's so sparkling clean. And then we have here basically our meal prep that we are getting on a daily basis. So we have someone who's cooking for us, and then they're bringing in some foods here. Meal preps, breakfast, and all of this. I haven't had any yet, but I will get to this later after work. Okay, so let me just close this.
So how much around is like a week or 5 or 6 days for the meal preps? I don't know.
1 week of meal prep. I'm not even sure how much we're paying for this right now.
Depends, of course, of the macros.
I don't know if you guys hear Carmina in the background because I have the microphone, but depends on the macros that you're paying. Like $200 per week, more or less, I think here, and then they cook it for you to bring it to you, so it's not really that expensive. And then here, here we have like some, protein powder. That's my favorite. Chocolate. I could drink that all day. We have here some creatine. So these are basically the only two things and the only two supplements that I'm using that my coach is recommending me. Then this is the fridge where there's not a lot going on. So there's a little bit of milk on the right side here. And then the meal preps, some eggs, and that's pretty much it. So not a lot going on in the fridge. What I think really cool is really cool about this place is they have this water thing here where you can just get hot water straight away, so you don't have to like heat it up if you want to treat yourself with a tea or something like that. And you can also get like really ice cold water already straight out of that, which is awesome. Then let's go to the living room here really quick. Living room. So here we have the TV with smart TV. It's connected to the internet. And then what we like to do is we hook up our MacBooks, our laptops here with an HDMI, and then watch some educational content, watch some courses, etc., and just learn and study. And then another thing is in the evening, there's like a little bit fun fact. So there's this light right there. And now you see there's some lizards. There's one, a very little one, right? But in the evening, there are like two very, very big ones that are coming out. They're just chilling at the wall. So I always wanted to have pets. I cannot touch them, but it's very nice to see them. Then, yeah, let's go here, the open space first. So here you can basically jump right into the water if you want to, and go for a swim. Or you can just chill out here on the deck, and these sunbeds here. So there we have one. And in here we have a couple of more. So that's yeah, that's awesome to just take a small break from working, and yeah, just hang out for a little bit.
The rice fields.
Yeah, with a view on the rice fields. So now they harvested everything, and yeah, now there's no one working, and yeah, it's just very, very.
Like another super cool thing. I don't know if you can
Yeah,
hear
let me
me.
give you the mic.
Is that we don't have any neighbors around the UC, so it's
Right.
super private. So actually, for the price and what you get is like you actually get like a lot, and also like quality of life here, which is very enjoyable, of course.
Absolutely, lots of quality of life. Compared to, I don't know what you pay in the US or some Western countries. We pay here for rent around, I think, $3,500 per month. So that's like you pay that in New York City for like a really crappy apartment, right? So yeah, let's move on to the rooms here. Let's take this one here first. So we actually have two rooms, and they're basically the same.
One is yours.
One is mine, and one is Carmina's. So this is the first one. Very simple. You have air condition, you know, and you basically wake up with a view on the rice fields in the morning, which is super cool to get the day started. And then here we have the bathroom. So I take you into my bathroom right now. Yeah, open bathroom, which is really awesome. So if you take a shower, you can basically, you know, watch into the sky, and in the evening you can sometimes even see the moon when you take a shower. Yeah, what else can I tell you? I mean, that's pretty much it. That's the bathroom. So yeah, let's quickly go into the other room to wrap this tour up. All right, so this is the other room. This is the one that we usually sleep in, and the other one we kind of using just to work and cool down. Yeah, same style, same thing. Also with the rice field views, and then the bathroom here. It is also the same. Just come in. And then as you see, this is the one that we mainly use, where we have a lot of stuff. So yeah, this is pretty much it when it comes to the indoor spaces or to the indoor rooms. And yeah, the coolest thing is really that when you wake up, you just open this up and then you take a dive right into the pool to shock your body, wake up, and yeah, start your day fresh. That's pretty much it. So yeah, again, a little bit of an unusual video, but I just wanted to show you a little bit of behind the scenes and, you know, how we're living here in Bali, and that you can see the quality of life that you can have for a very affordable price if you compare it to like Germany or the US or anything like that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I would say we wrap it up here, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed that. So talk to you soon. Take care. Bye bye.